Our innovative method changes the way bridges and single teeth can be bonded to a denture base. Using a micropipette, apply Polibond to the alveoli of the denture base and place the structures, starting from the anterior region and working outward. After approximately 5 to 10 seconds, use a brush to spread the excess liquid evenly and ensure correct seating. Repeat the same procedure for the posterior elements. After 5 to 10 seconds, apply pressure first, then refine the excess liquid with a brush. Indeed, when it dries, our Polibond glues the two resins together without leaving any residue so that the materials merge into a single unit. Similar to what would happen to two ice cubes with a moistened surface, a phenomenon better known as cold welding. After that, perform a glycerin bath at 50 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes to obtain an optimal bond between the two resins. Finally, polishing dentures made with the new PMMA-based Abro and denture gingiva resins has never been easier. With the Florence.Products denture system, we have developed a simple and efficient method which, depending on the treatment undertaken, allows for the production of patient-oriented full dentures in 2 or 3 chairside appointments. To test the tensile strength of the bond between Polibond and PMMA, we have conceived a special test. Look with your own eyes.